Hold up. If you're coming in here to comment that no one believes this is our hair, let me keep it 100 with you. We don't care. The door's to the left. Okay, so now that I got that out of the way, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia, and today I'm coming to you with this bomb unit from Asteria Hair. The wig came with this beautiful satin bag, an elastic band, and 30 inches of slayage. Dolls, this is their straight unit in 180% density. You're gonna get about 4.5 inches of parting space. There are 2 combs in the side, 1 in the back, and the unit comes slightly pre-plucked. Now, I do want to show you that the knots on this unit are not bleached, so I'm not going to show you me bleaching this unit because I do have a dedicated tutorial on me bleaching the knots. If you want to see that video, just hit the I above in the right hand corner. So I know I'm going to keep this wig, so I decided to go ahead and color it black. And I like to use a door because that's my go-to rinse. So initially when I started coloring this unit, I forgot to wet it. Now dolls, it's always best to color your unit while it's damp. You don't want it soaking wet, but it is best to do it while it's damp because your color will stretch more and you'll get more mileage on it. So right here, I'm just coloring the unit. I'm not really paying too much attention and as I'm coloring the back because there's just tracks in there. However, as I get close to the front where the lace is, I am using my eyebrow spoolie because that allows me to get close to the roots without bleaching the lace. And this is what it looks like when I'm finished. As you can see, the roots are dyed, but the lace is clean. Now I decided I was going to go ahead and pluck this unit just a little bit. It did come pre-plucked, but I did want to pluck it a little bit more just to give it more of a natural look. And dolls, this is what it looked like when I was finished. Now, I will say that this wig is very full. This is what it looks like after I washed it and it was air dried. Now, I do want to rock this unit straight. So first I decided to blow dry the unit just to make straightening it a little bit easier. Next, I'm going to take my skinny serum and I'm going to apply it to the hair as I section it off to flat iron it. You guys know I'm using my favorite flat iron. It's a 2-inch flat iron. It's perfect for flat ironing your hair because it's bigger. So it allows you to flat iron your hair faster. I'm not gonna lie dolls, this unit has so much hair, it did take me about 30 minutes to complete. But this is what it looked like when it was finished. As you can see, it's nice and sleek and straight. And now I'm just trying the unit on, and I did notice that the lace on this wig does not match my complexion. So I'm gonna go in with my Tailor's Crowns lace tint and just apply that to the inside of the lace. And then I like to blow dry it dry with my blow dryer. And lastly, before I install this unit, I'm just melting the lace. You guys know this is my foolproof way of melting the lace using a towel. Okay dolls, so now I'm ready to put the wig on. I'm gonna use my Got2b glue gel. Okay dolls, so I'm just lightly tapping the gel along my hairline As always, I forget to not apply the makeup to my perimeter, and you want to make sure you tap it and not rub it, because then it's going to turn into a hot mess. So you just want to
tap, 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 give it head taps, lip tap, tap, tap,
and then blow it with the blow dryer. Next, I'm going to use the elastic band that came with the unit, and I'm just tying that around the front just to help melt the lace in with my skin. And this is what it looks like once I take it off. Now I'm going to just proceed to cut the lace with my scissors, and I'm cutting it all around. And as always, you want to get as close to the hairline without cutting the hair. And right here, I'm just using some of my Got To Be glue spray to lay down some of the pieces of the lace that I missed with the gel. So initially I tried to rock out with the middle part, but guys, that is just not my testimony. I just went ahead and did the side part because that just fits me best. I wish I could rock a middle part though. I just love how a straight, sleek middle part looks. For you girls that could do it, more power to y'all. And this is what the hairline is looking like once I am finished. I decided to cut a little bit of baby hairs, and I'm just going to lay that down using my Nairobi foaming mousse. And then I just lay that down with my scarf for about 5 minutes to let that set. And last, I'm going to just apply some of my face powder to the scalp area, because the ball cap that I'm wearing is not the usual ball cap that I use, and it just didn't match pretty well. And dolls, this is the final look. Your girl went and changed up a little bit at my little accessories. I did add a little clip to the side, and this is how this beauty looks. Free flowing, straight, and gorgeous. Now, I did sleep in this unit, and I just want to show you guys how I slept in the unit. Since it's so much hair, I like to wrap the hair around into a bun and then tie it down with my scarf. And then when you take it out, it will give it a nice little wave. And this is the final look, dolls. What do you guys think? Are you loving it? I am. This wig gives me so much confidence. It makes me feel like a true baddie. If you're interested in purchasing this unit, I will have all the links in the description box down below. And guys, I'm gonna need y'all help naming this beauty. Go ahead and leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. And if you're not part of the faithful fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed right here. And dolls, as always important, you guys stay blessed, and I'll catch you in my next video.